Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer, security alarm, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.